Leetcode Weekly Context 405. Question number 1. First matching character from both ends. This is an easy problem. This question is asking us to find out the smallest index that matching with matching characters. So check this example. If we go through elements in this string, the first one index is 0, but A does not equal to D. We have to skip this. The next one, 1. B is equal to B. So that's a true. Once we got a true, we can just stop here. We can also call this a stop sign. We doesn't have to go through all elements in this string. Otherwise, if we reach the end of the list and we couldn't find any, then we can just return the default result, which is -1. But that's the solution we're gonna solve this problem.